Hey guys, welcome back to another world schooling, travel schooling, homeschooling video. It's Mervin and I'm here among our amazing Worldschooling Calabria olive orchard. And I want to tell you that without exaggeration or sounding redundant, children need emotional and spiritual investment in these modern times, okay? Children are in emotional deficit and they're in spiritual deficit. Some of them are in psychological deficit because they're facing traumas, especially from the last pandemic, okay, or other normal things that happen to them in their daily lives, tragedies. Okay, I want to tell you that World Schooling Calabria here in the olive farm in Italy sets the premise for a healing process for any child or children that is looking to achieve this in the presence of their parents. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day. Click the link in the description to find out more.